my nigga Daryl in here, what up? Y'all don't even know Ice Cube son in this bitch. What up, fool? Where you at, bro? What's up, bro? Tap in with me, bro. Y'all don't even know Cube son in this bitch. A straight goat in this bitch, boy. Y'all tweaking. Where you at, bro? Tap in, bro. Hey, DM, you still got the same number, bro? Let's link up. Gang. Y'all go follow Ice Cube son right now, bro. Real deal. It's Cube son. Julio. GOAT status, nigga. I make beats right in my living room and at my studio, nigga. Wherever the fuck I'm comfortable at, nigga. I'm sitting right here on my motherfucking couch, nigga. My motherfucking ottoman is where my shit at. You see how the fuck we coming, nigga. You know what the fuck this is, nigga. Yeah. And this bitch with a $40,000 watch on making beats, nigga. To come up. It's that real drill, nigga. Sounds, nigga. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about, nigga. I'm bringing back my old transition. Yeah. I'm bringing back my old transition. I'm bringing back the old. Yeah, for real. Yeah, nigga. It's a banger, nigga. For real, fool. Yeah, yeah. cheeks. I ain't did that shit in hellas, nigga. Let's get it. Hold on. Check it out. Yeah. Hold on now. Hold on now. Check this out. Let's get it. Yeah, nigga, let's go. What y'all on? Let's go.